table, you will see warm colors and cool colors. There's a water bucket, popsicle sticks. Here are the cool colors. You have purple, green, and blue. Here are the warm colors. You have yellow, orange, and red. In the center, you'll see your water bucket, your popsicle sticks, and the shaving cream. Alright, today, boys and girls, you're going to do some paper marbling. To marble your paper, you're going to need a tray. You're going to need a piece of paper. On the back of your paper, you're going to put your name and your teacher. You're going to take this with you today, so make sure your name is on it so you don't get it mixed up with someone else's. To marble your paper, your name is going to be looking at the ceiling. So we're going to actually do all the work on this clean side. Well, it's not actually clean, but it'll get clean. On your tray, I'm going to come around and I am going to spray some shaving cream. You don't need a lot of shaving cream because you're going to spread it around. See how it gets bigger? That's all you need. I'm going to spray it for you so you don't have to worry about that. You're going to take one of these popsicle sticks and you're going to use it as a knife and just kind of spread it around. It doesn't have to be absolutely flat. We just want it to be about as big as our paper. So I'm going to spread it using the edge of it like I'm spreading peanut butter or icing. Okay? The next thing I need to do, I'm going to scrape it on the edge. Okay? I'm going to lay it up here. The next thing I need to do, yes, it's messy. You're going to get messy. The next thing I need to do is I'm going to drip my watercolor. Now up here, let me see if I can move this. Here you'll see I have my warm colors, and on the other side of the table you saw in the beginning of the video, the picture, you have cool colors. I want you to use the colors that are in front of you. Don't go across the table because it drips and it'll get everywhere. So use the colors that are in front of you. You're going to use the paintbrushes that are in the water bucket and you're going to drip your paint onto your shaving. Do not pick up the paints. Leave them on the mat that they're on because they're separated by color and we don't want to change those. So I'm going to dip and I'm just going to drip. I'm not touching. I'm just almost splattering. You can do it this way if you want. Okay? Gently. Remember, we gently tap our brush. Okay? I'm going to rinse. I'm going to get some orange. I'm going to gently tap my brush. I'm going to rinse. I'm going to get some red. I'm going to gently tap my brush. That's all you need. Now I'm going to take my popsicle stick and I'm going to very gently swirl this paint. So I'm going to scrape it this way. And then I'm going to turn it. And I'm going to make a wavy line. Scrape it that way. You could just drag it in straight lines if you want. That's up to you. You can do a wavy line, a zigzag line. You can do diagonal lines. I'm going to scrape it. Now, I'm going to take my paper with my name and teacher's name looking at the ceiling. I'm going to lay it and gently pat it down. I'm not squishing it. I'm gently tapping it down. I'm going to pull it up, peel it off, just like so. Set this to the side. I'm going to lay this down. I'm going to take this popsicle stick and I'm going to scrape this off. Put it back on my tray. I'm going to scrape this off and put it back on my tray. Now I have a beautifully marbled piece of artwork. You may do this 2 times. How many times may you do it? Twice. That's it. That's all you get is 2 pieces of paper. You're going to use this same stuff. You're going to just scoop it back in the middle, spread it out, and do the same process all over again. Okay? At the end, when the bell rings, I need you to take this tray, rinse it off in the sink, put it back on this table. Rinse your popsicle stick off, put it back in the can that's on the table. We're not throwing anything away today. Okay? Thank you.